Guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be changing the PCV valve on the 2009 Civic Si. Mine right here. I bought this from Kragen, and it's the PCV valve. Let me open it up for you. Just gonna do it with one hand. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you how to replace. I'll just put it up here. Alright, so the PCV valve is located right here. You're gonna need some, all you need is needle nose pliers and 17 socket, deep socket. Make sure it's deep, just with a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet. Alright, let me use a needle nose to take out this clamp. Should be good. Let's see if I can pull it out by hand or not. It's right here. There we go. There we go. Take it out. I don't know if it's bad or anything. Just replacing it. I had this car for 5 years now. Haven't replaced it yet. Alright, let me move this hose out of the way. Can. It's good enough. Let me grab the 17. Make sure it's on loose. Just slip it on. It's on. There we go. Just break it loose. Well, let me get a little breaker bar. Don't have enough space. Alright, got my little cheater bar. Put it on the handle here. Make sure it's on good. Fix it real fast. A little loosey. There we go. Just there. Broke it loose. Put this up here. And my wrench, my ratchet. You can twist it off by hand. Really cold out here right now. Fingers are a little numb. I'll do it with one hand. Here it is. Focus. Let's compare it to the new one. Dropped it. Compared to a new one, exactly the same. Looks like it's a little longer. Should really make a difference than this. Turn. Alright, wifey called me to go eat, but just twist it on by hand. Should be able to do it. It's real simple. It's like 5 minutes to do this. Less than that. If you're not holding the camera. Alright, so it's good. You don't want to over tighten this either. Just snug it. Tighten it. Don't use a breaker bar for this. This should be a 17. Let me set this down real fast to get it. Alright, I got it on. The hose is blocking. See, let me go this way. It's right here. Just snug. Not super tight. There we go. Done. Just put the hose back on. Boom. Alright, get the pliers. Fix the worm clamp real fast. I think it's called a worm clamp. Get the needle nose, put it in there. See if I can get a better view.